Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly talk about how do you add Klarna to Samsung Pay. So let's get into the video. So if you're looking to add Klarna to Samsung Pay, you can simply do that firstly by just opening up your app. So firstly, open up your Samsung app, so your Samsung Pay app. All right, so open up your Samsung app, and then once you've opened up your app, then you're going to tap on the menu, which is the three horizontal lines on the top left. Okay, and then just select cards there, so click on add and then click on the menu and then go to the cards section, click on cards. And then now when you get to cards here, so when you get to cards, then what are you going to do? You're going to tap on the add card option. So it's like the plus symbol, so click on add card and then tap on add credit or debit card. So what we're going to do here is now simply just add in our Klarna card details, because our Klarna card is a Visa, it's a prepaid Visa card. So Samsung has, as mentioned here, Samsung has partnered with many US companies and card companies like American Express, Visa, and all these issuers. So your Klarna should be fine to add on Samsung Pay. So what you can do, you can simply add your, so just add your card details and then also agree to the card's terms and conditions. So once you've done with that, then what happens, once your card is added, if you complete the process, then you can start using the your Klarna card for any in-store purchases with your phone. So you can just use the NFC as well on your phone and just do the just use the contactless uh, purchases or payment through your Klarna card as well. So this is how you can easily add Klarna to your Samsung Pay. So hope this information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank